Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this week's video I am going to be doing an unboxing on some organic products that I recently bought online, and so I thought I might show you what I got, and maybe I might do a makeup look with the organic products that I got in another video. I'm trying to get more into like organic things like makeup products and all that kind of stuff, so I thought I might try this organic product. Got it online, so it's called Inika or something like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like. If you're new, come subscribe, comment down below, and let's get started. So this is the box which I got, and I got the invoice inside, so I'll just try and open that. So I got my invoice. It's called Inika Organic. I got the face in a box, so it's like whole package for $100, so you get quite a bit of stuff with it. Here's the box. This is what I got, the Inika Organic face in a box, the Nurture Tone foundation base. This is what it looks like. It's like the powder brush by Kabuki. You got the Inika mineral mattifying powder, so it's pretty like small compared to what it looks like online, so I thought it was going to be like bigger, so I did pay like $100 for this. Let's see how that goes. And the next thing is the mineral blush, Rosy Glow, so that's a nice like pinky sort of blush, so that's nice. So most of these products are like organic, 100% organic. It's more better for your skin, you're not putting like harsh chemicals. This is the loose mineral foundation, Nurture Y4 SPF 25. And the next thing is you get the loose mineral bronzer, Sunkiss. So it's a nice like sort of bronzy color. It's not too dark or too light, so it's perfect, I reckon. And these ones, they're pretty small. This one is the Organic Perfection Concealer. They're pretty small compared to what they, like I said, what they look like online. They look like they're much bigger. But yeah, I do want to try them out, see how they go. And the next is the Certified Organic BB Cream Foundation. I don't really use BB cream foundations, but I thought I'd give that a try. Next is the Certified Organic Liquid Foundation, more bigger than the other ones. This one's the foundation. The last one is the Certified Organic Pure Primer. It's pretty much just a full face sort of base, but it doesn't have mascara or lipstick or anything like that. It's just a simple base makeup. I like the style of the box. It's quite fancy. I like the I like the box itself, but I reckon the products are a bit too small of the price you pay for $100. I reckon, like especially the foundation, the primer and stuff, they'll be a bit bigger. The bronzer and the mattifying loose powder foundation, I think are a good size, perfect size. I think the blush should be the same size as these ones. Mattifying powder is okay, good size, but I think the blush should be the same size as the loose mineral foundation. But I will give it a go. I'm hoping to do another video on trying out these products. I'll probably just add in like lipstick, mascara and eyeshadow. It doesn't have eyeshadow either. I'll just add those in, but pretty much just gonna trying out the whole foundation base and see how that feels, how it looks, and as compared to what I wear usually during a daily basis. So see if that one compares, if it's better, or the makeup I use now is much better than these ones. So we'll give it a go. So I thought that might be a good video to film for this week, just doing a little unboxing of organic makeup which I bought online, my reviews. So stay tuned to my channel, and the next video I'm going to make will be a makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment down below and subscribe if you're new. See you guys later.